The BIDIUTOY Architecture New York 3452 is a highly detailed and realistic model building kit that features iconic New York architecture, including the Statue of Liberty, Flatiron Building, Chrysler Building, Empire State Building, and the One World Trade Center. This model, which is over 10.2 inches high, 3.2 inches deep, and 15.7 inches wide, is made of high-quality green materials with bright colors, good flexibility, and is not easy to damage. The set includes more than 3,452 microbricks and comes with detailed step-by-step color instructions, providing a challenging and complex building experience. This kit serves as a wonderful recreational activity and a perfect gift for adults and children aged 14 years and up, promoting patience and perseverance during the building process. Note that the bricks in this BIDIUTOY building block toy are much smaller than normal building blocks, but each package includes spare blocks to ensure completion of the building. Priced at $48.97, it has a review score of 4.1 from 52 reviews, making it a popular choice among building set enthusiasts.